How to improve blurry vision naturally. Here are 9 proven tips one needs to know. Do you ever feel like your vision is letting you down? Blurry text, fuzzy faces, or struggling to see the world clearly? Are you tired of struggling with blurry vision? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we share 9 proven tips to help you improve your eyesight naturally. From simple eye exercises to dietary changes, discover effective strategies that can make a real difference. Join us on this journey to a clearer vision and regain your confidence in seeing the world around you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Blurry vision can be alarming, but it's often a sign that your eyes need a little extra care. Many factors can contribute to blurry vision, from simple eye strain to underlying medical conditions. Common causes include spending too much time focusing on screens, not getting enough sleep, or even dehydration. In some cases, blurry vision can be a symptom of more serious conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure. It's essential to consult with an eye doctor to determine the root cause of your blurry vision and receive appropriate treatment. While natural methods can support eye health, they should complement, not replace, professional medical advice. Tip number 1. Just like any other muscle in your body, your eye muscles benefit from regular exercise. It's easy to overlook the importance of eye health, but incorporating a few simple exercises into your daily routine can make a significant difference. These simple exercises can help strengthen your eye muscles and improve your focusing ability. Not only do they enhance your vision, but they also reduce eye strain, which is especially beneficial for those who spend long hours in front of screens. First, try focusing near and far. Hold your thumb a few inches from your face and focus on it. This exercise helps improve your ability to switch focus between objects at different distances, which is crucial for tasks like reading and driving. Then, slowly shift your focus to an object farther away. Repeat this several times. This exercise not only strengthens your eye muscles, but also enhances your depth perception and overall visual acuity. Another great exercise is tracing figure eights. This exercise promotes flexibility and coordination in your eye movements, which can be particularly helpful for activities that require precise visual tracking. Imagine a giant figure 8 on a distant wall. Visualizing the figure 8 helps you maintain a steady and controlled eye movement, which is essential for the effectiveness of this exercise. Slowly trace the figure 8 with your eyes, keeping your head still. Repeat in both directions. This ensures that all the muscles around your eyes are engaged and exercised evenly. Finally, don't forget blinking breaks. Blinking is a natural way to refresh your eyes and keep them moist. But we often blink less frequently when focusing on screens. If you spend long hours staring at screens, take frequent blinking breaks. This simple habit can prevent digital eye strain and keep your eyes comfortable throughout the day. Close your eyes for a few seconds, then open them wide. This exercise not only lubricates your eyes, but also gives them a brief rest from the constant focus required by screens. This helps lubricate your eyes and prevent dryness. Dry eyes can lead to discomfort and even vision problems if not addressed. So it's important to keep your eyes well moisturized. Remember, these exercises are most effective when practiced consistently. Just like any other form of exercise, regular practice is key to seeing improvements and maintaining eye health. Start with a few repetitions each day and gradually increase the duration and frequency as your eye muscles become stronger. Over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in your eye strength and overall visual comfort. Incorporating these exercises into your daily routine can lead to better eye health and a more comfortable visual experience. So take a few minutes each day to care for your eyes. They'll thank you for it. Tip number 2, the best foods for eye health. What you eat plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal eye health. The foods you choose can have a significant impact on your vision and overall eye function. By incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods into your diet, you can help protect your eyes from common issues and maintain clear, sharp vision throughout your life. A diet rich in specific vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can help protect your eyes from damage and improve vision. These nutrients work together to support the health of your eyes, reducing the risk of conditions such as cataracts, glaucoma, and age-related macular degeneration. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that protect against age-related macular degeneration. These greens are not only beneficial for your eyes, but also provide a host of other health benefits, including improved cardiovascular health and reduced inflammation. Carrots, sweet potatoes, and other orange-colored fruits and vegetables are excellent sources of beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. essential for good vision. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining the health of your retina and can help prevent night blindness and dry eyes. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon and tuna, are also beneficial for eye health. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation and support the structure of cell membranes in the eyes. Regular consumption of omega-3s can help prevent dry eye syndrome and may even reduce the risk of developing macular degeneration. Incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet can provide your eyes with the essential building blocks for optimal function. By making conscious choices about what you eat, you can support your eye health and enjoy better vision for years to come. Remember, a balanced diet that includes a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats is key to maintaining not only your eye health, but your overall well-being. Tip number 3, why water matters. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, including your eye health. Your eyes need adequate fluids to produce tears, which keep your eyes lubricated and wash away debris. Dehydration can lead to dry eyes, blurry vision, and eye fatigue. Make it a habit to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially if you live in a dry climate or spend long hours in air-conditioned environments. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip water regularly. You can also increase your fluid intake by consuming hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and spinach. Tip number 4, giving your eyes a break. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overwork our eyes without realizing it. With the constant use of digital devices, our eyes are under more strain than ever before. Whether it's working on a computer, scrolling through social media on a smartphone, or binge-watching our favorite shows, our eyes rarely get a moment to rest. Prolonged screen time, late nights, and lack of sleep can all take a toll on your eye health. The blue light emitted from screens can cause digital eye strain, leading to symptoms like dry eyes, headaches, and blurred vision. It's important to be mindful of how much time we spend in front of screens and to take steps to mitigate the impact. Make it a priority to give your eyes regular breaks throughout the day. Simple actions like blinking more often, adjusting your screen brightness, and ensuring proper lighting in your workspace can make a significant difference. Incorporate short breaks into your routine to rest your eyes and reduce strain. If you work at a computer, follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look away from your screen and focus on an object 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This practice helps relax the eye muscles and reduces fatigue. Additionally, consider using screen filters or blue light glasses to further protect your eyes. Ensure you're getting enough sleep each night, aiming for 7 to 8 hours of quality rest. Sleep is crucial for overall health, and your eyes are no exception. During sleep, your eyes have a chance to repair and regenerate, so prioritize a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. During sleep, your eyes have a chance to repair and regenerate, so prioritize a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Consider activities like reading a book, meditating, or listening to calming music before bed to help you unwind. Avoid screens at least an hour before bedtime to ensure a restful night's sleep. By taking these steps, you can protect your eye health and maintain clear, comfortable vision. Quick question, are you enjoying these tips? If you are, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Trust me, your future self with a clearer vision will thank you. Tip number 5, protecting your eyes with sunglasses. Protecting your eyes from harmful UV rays is crucial for preventing long-term eye damage, including cataracts and macular degeneration. Wear sunglasses that block 100% of UVA and UVB rays whenever you're outdoors, even on cloudy days. If you work with hazardous materials or engage in activities that could potentially harm your eyes, wear appropriate eye protection, such as safety goggles. By taking these preventive measures, you can safeguard your vision and maintain healthy eyes for years to come. Tip number 6, early detection is key. Regular comprehensive eye exams are essential for detecting and addressing eye problems early on. An eye doctor can identify issues that you may not even be aware of, allowing for timely intervention and better treatment outcomes. The frequency of eye exams depends on your age, overall health, and risk factors. Children should have their first eye exam by age 3, while adults with no vision problems should have an exam at least every 2 years. If you have any concerns about your vision, don't hesitate to schedule an appointment with your eye doctor. Tip number 8, give it time. The power of patience. Improving your vision naturally takes time and consistency. Just like any lifestyle change, it requires patience and dedication to see results. Don't get discouraged if you don't notice immediate improvements. Continue practicing eye exercises regularly, eating a healthy diet, and following other healthy habits. Over time, you'll likely start to notice positive changes in your vision and overall eye health. Remember, consistency is key. Tip number 9, a holistic approach. Embracing natural solutions to a clearer vision. Taking a natural approach to improving your vision involves adopting healthy habits that support your overall well-being. By nourishing your body with nutrient-rich foods, staying hydrated, getting enough rest, and protecting your eyes from harm, you can create an environment where your eyes can thrive. Remember, while natural methods can be beneficial, it's essential to consult with an eye doctor to address any underlying medical conditions. By combining professional care with a holistic approach to eye health, you can work towards clearer, brighter vision and enjoy the gift of sight for years to come. All right, you made it. Now it's your turn. Pick one tip and try it out today. And don't forget to share this video with a friend who's always squinting at their phone. Let's help everyone see the world a little clearer together naturally.